All right, so I'm going to knit a few stitches and then I'll do the knit, yarn over, knit. Without seeing the directions, I'm not exactly sure what your directions say, but let's try and figure this out. All right, so if you're going to knit, yarn over, knit, let's figure this out. I would imagine you're going to go into the stitch as if to knit, pull the stitch through, but don't take this stitch off. Just pull it through and then stop. Now do the yarn over. So a yarn over is bringing your yarn from the back to the front. So you bring your yarn to the front, and then you're going to knit this exact same stitch. You're going to knit it again. So now you're just going to go back under that first thing again and knit it. And then you can take it off. So you did a knit, yarn over, knit, all in the same stitch. So where there was one stitch, you did a double increase, and now there's 3 stitches. You want to see that again? I'll do it again. I'll knit a stitch and then we'll do it again. Looks complex. It's not hard. You just have to break it down. So you're going to knit, go into the stitch as if to knit, bring the yarn through, but don't take it off the left side. Then bring your yarn forward in between the two, and then knit that stitch again, and then take it off. So you did a knit, yarn over, knit in the same stitch. Did that help at all?